One of the best things about being a human is that we have the capacity to have ideas. Better yet, we're capable of taking those ideas and turning them into things. The things we make are our intellectual property, and we have the right to protect them. The best way to do that is with a patent. Patents grant their holders the right to exclude others from making, using, or selling their invention without their permission. Not so long ago, creative inventors like Alexander Graham Bell and Thomas Edison were truly one in a million. But today, with the knowledge of the world at our fingertips, anybody can be an innovator. In other words, you don't have to be Alexander Graham Bell to come up with a great idea. Humans are more creative today than ever before. Patent law isn't just about keeping out the bad guys. It's also about inspiring the good guys like you and me to keep up the good progress.